Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install PayPal app. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, you want to open up the App Store, or if you're on Android, you want to open up the Google Play Store. Then, you want to go to the bottom right where you see the Search tab. From here, go up to the search bar, type in PayPal like so, and then go ahead and search for that. Unfortunately, this app is not available in my country. That's why I can't download it. But if it is available in your country, you will see an install button. You simply have to tap on that install button and your app will be installed. Once it completes installing, you will be able to open the app up. As we can see, it has finished installing. Now, if we go ahead and tap Open, we can access the app, or we can go to our home screen and open the app as well. So that's basically how you can download and install PayPal app. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.